Today I'm going to show you how to view the TikTok shop on PC using OBS in a simple and professional way. This is especially useful if you're recording tutorials, doing live streams, or showing product listings directly from your computer. First, open your browser on your PC and go to the official TikTok website. Log into your account normally. Once you're inside your account, go to the TikTok Shop Seller Center or open your TikTok Shop dashboard in a separate tab. Make sure everything loads completely before moving to the next step. Now open OBS Studio. Inside OBS, look for the Sources panel at the bottom. Click the plus icon to add a new source. You'll see several options. Choose Window Capture. If you only want to capture the browser window where TikTok Shop is open, after selecting Window Capture, a new window will appear. From the drop-down list, choose your browser. Make sure you select the exact window where TikTok Shop is open. Then click OK. Now your TikTok Shop dashboard should appear inside OBS. If you see a black screen instead of the browser, there's usually a simple fix. Make sure both OBS and your browser are running with the same permissions. For example, if one is running as administrator and the other isn't, close them and reopen both normally. If you want to show everything on your screen instead of just the browser, you can add a new source and select Display Capture. This will show your entire desktop. Finally, adjust the size of the captured window inside OBS by dragging the corners in the preview area until it fits perfectly in your scene. And that's it. That's how you view and display TikTok Shop on PC using OBS quickly and correctly.